Hi, this is Jamie Jones from the Dow Jones Exchange. And today I'm going to talk about how before the change settles in, there is the dreaded neutral zone. The neutral zone is an uncomfortable space-time at the beginning of being in a new situation right after a change has happened. It's a time of uncertainty that can feel like buyer's remorse, a lot of second guessing. It sounds like, oh my God, what did I just do? Or, oh my God, what just happened? There are two core needs that are typically experienced that, if left unmet, creates a yearning to go back to before the change, or a desire to just give up. Or worst of all, the quit and stay energy of staying in the state of change but doing nothing, just waiting. The two needs are care, where you're allowed to vent and you're listened to without being given a solution or being told what you should have done or what you should do, and concern. And that's when someone who shows you the above attention in a way that helps you feel you're okay, you're not broken, and you don't need to be fixed. While going through the neutral zone, there needs to be a CRO. That's a Chief Reminding Officer. This is a person, and it may be yourself, who's in charge of repeatedly reminding everyone involved of a few things. Here are some of the things the CRO is in charge of reminding everybody repeatedly. The purpose. What is the intended outcome of this change? Picture. The vision of the intended outcome. What is it going to look like, feel like, be like for everyone when all is said and done? Plan. Focus and break down the big picture into smaller bites that are easy to remember and to focus on. And finally, part. The assignments, the roles, clear communications on specifics of what each person involved is expected to do. And it sounds like what I need from you is, with time, you move through the neutral zone and into the new beginning, the place where you're settling into the change. You're accepting this place as your new normal. Here, you might not even remember what was so great about the way things were. You might not remember what you thought you wanted from before. Your time, attention, and energies are invested in how what is now is becoming what you want now. More than what was before, better than before. This is a place of excitement and possibilities. This is where life becomes fun again.